Well, I swear I clicked live, but I guess not. So I've been talking to myself. Dag nabbit. I've been having like conversations and everything with myself, like, son of a hooker. Oh well. Okay, so let me explain what's going on then. Dag nabbit, I gotta go over this. You know what? I'm not gonna go over it. It's not like anyone's following along. Dang, man, that sucks. Anyway, I got a new format idea that I'm working on right now. You'll see how it works. Sorry about that. Okay, are we live now? Okay. Yep, kinda. I cannot believe that happened, dude. For 30 minutes, I was like trying to explain what I was doing, and I was like feeling sad that nobody was like responding, and I'm like, oh, okay. I guess I should have suspected something then. It do be like that. Okay, so so I guess I will go ahead and go over it. All right, so this is the format that I'm going with here. Each neuron, like we have neural rows now, which will increase the intelligence factor of everything. It told us to keep waiting. Dag nabbit. Anyway, so here's how the brain system works. Here's the neuron class and everything. And the neuron class will actually have a string that points to the name of the type of function it's supposed to execute. And in this case, I have a scrambler neuron here for testing. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Laughing Bat. If not for you, I probably would have like continued talking to myself until Airless was like, "You gonna start?" I'm like, "Oh, okay." You know, we're not gonna. We're not. Yeah, I'm just. I was testing my willpower to stream. That's what it was. Right. So yeah, so we have neural rows now. Each neural row will like connect to the next neural row of over and or behind. So we'll do for let I equals 0, I is less than this dot neurons dot length I plus plus. And then we will do let's just call this row instead of I. This dot neurons row dot map n if row wait, this dot neurons row minus 1 we'll say okay, hold on. Yeah, so we got the neurons there, right? So each one will have to connect its input. Okay, so this dot neurons row so we'll say, yeah, n dot, yeah, inputs dot map I, I dot set, wait, I dot, link with, neurons row. Yeah. Minus 1. Map. Okay. Floor random times this dot neurons row minus 1 dot length. I'll never understand why you hurt yourself like I have a hard time with Fortnite in creative. This would kill me, and I even thought about doing it. Whoa. Wait, thought about doing what? I hope you're talking about AI. Because if not, message me on Discord. I got, I believe I can help. Well, heck, even AI, if you want to learn that, just message me on Discord anyway. But yeah, you all good? Laughing back? You okay? Ah, okay, good. Okay, so, I could go ahead and like explain a little bit further the idea that I have. What I'm trying to do is come up with like my own sort of AI system. Like I'm not cheating and like learning how AI works. Like I only have a basic idea of how it works, and so I'm trying to figure it out from there. You know, it's like a little challenge. So let me open up Gameprey here real quick. The idea that I have is something akin to like getting rid of the white screen because it is bright. Well, heck, I could have just. Okay, so we have a neuron, right? We have like a row of neurons here. Let's say like these neurons. Now that's not exactly how it works because in real life all the neurons are connected and whatnot, blah blah blah. But anyway, so this is the first row of neurons, right? So it's gonna have like a bunch of like outputs, right? At a randomly assigned each time. So let's say this one is a look neuron. So like it's meant to kind of scout around the area. What it'll do, it will send whatever it's connected to. So like we have another neuron row here. This one has inputs. So we can do 1, 2, 3, and then it'd be like that kind of thing, right? It only the next row down. It could just be one that's connected to this. You tried Python a while back. Python is a better choice for this, but I'm wanting to do it all in Node.js just because like I'm most familiar with it, and I don't feel like learning like how another language works. So yeah, this is the idea that I have. You know, they'll be like connecting randomly and all that, and each one will provide a call stack. So this will provide a look call stack with the value being like whatever. Okay, this neuron here will only, let's say it only has 2 connections. So this will be like whatever this thing's energy is, but like only 2 out of 5 of that value. If that makes sense. Tyra, what up? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. And it'll keep going on until it gets to the last row of neurons, and then the final call stack will be pushed into, like the array of call stacks rather, will be pushed into the brain, which will then process all of that. Tyra, what up? That's the idea that I have, and that's about as far as my brain got. Other than like points and everything to tell like, hey, this was a good set, so you know, start with no less than that every other life form spawn. What the heck is a Z doing there? Okay. Yeah, so that's linking with that one. Now we'll do in.outputs.map I. And then, no, we don't need to. Yeah, because we're only doing this for that. Okay. It's going all right. I ran into a glitch of my... oh, one of my towns. How was it? After adding doors, which you press a switch to open them. And the door disappears until you interact with... How to go back fix that? So, I think what's going on in your case is you need to check the box that says direction fix on the door as well. And make sure that all of your other event pages... I think I understand what you're saying. Make sure all your other event pages also have the door graphic. Like if you have an empty event page that doesn't have the door graphic, when like a certain switch is on, then it's going to be blank. Believe it or not, I was part of a group you created a while back. Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh, I missed them days, dude. Have you talked to Jeanette in a while? Yo, laughing back, that's freaking amazing. Yeah, I miss Jeanette. That dude was an artist, yo. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I doing that? Okay. So the update connect. Yeah, that's all good. All right. So then update. We'll do this dot update energy. Did you not do private in oh, that's only a TypeScript thing. F that. I don't need to worry about this anyway. Okay, so then I think what's going on, Tara, is your door does have another event page and it's using the same switch as the chest. Remember, you got to use a different switch for the door. Other than that, I have no remote idea why it would be doing that. They should not be connected in any other way besides a switch or variable. But that's weird. Okay, so if the energy is enough, we will do n dot neuron. Okay. No. This needs to be like this. So we'll push and then this dot energy. What was it, value? Yeah. Yeah, so the call stack, where's my brain at? There we go. Yeah, so if I think, it'll work this way. Yeah, we do end up call stack, push, and then we'll say type. Well, heck, we'll just do processor, and then value. Call this value. Okay. There we go. Much better.
Changes been the name when I fix it.
You could try. Jerry, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I always want to do things people usually don't think of, and I get myself frustrated that I can't do it as I just dump it. Yes. No. Hey, listen, Laughing Bat, you have no idea how relating that is. It is... Dude, ADHD sucks nuts. Like, it's horrible. I had to step away and didn't hear if you responded. It's gone pretty good. We're just trying some new things, and I think I got a really solid system going on here, and you know, preaching to the choir, my guy. Like, it's so easy to just get burnt out as well, thanks to ADHD, because like you get, I don't know, like trying to fight with yourself all the time, it drains you, you know. Plus, you probably like me as well, like in the sense that you constantly put yourself down a lot and all that. Okay, so okay, now this will be now, hold on. How am I gonna do this? I know what you mean, bro. Now, how am I gonna do this? I've had a lot of weird things. Oh, okay. So, hold on. Let me catch up. So basically, though, Jerry, this is it's gonna be used for like NPCs and everything, having like an artificial intelligence system to, like, for example, let's say at nighttime they get tired, like they'll know like where their house is, they'll go into their house, and stuff like that, and like they'll choose like what type of dialogue to provide you with. That's the idea anyway. Like, for example, we can have a farmer NPC, right? Instead of, like, hard coding him to, like, walk around his farm, managing crops and everything, the NPC will just know to do that. Like the 25 NPC. I had a lot of weird things happen in my game. Some cutscenes where I had to place fade in and out on the next thing because then otherwise I would ignore the previous fade in from the last. That's weird. Tell me if you do this. You're just chilling and you want to do something, but you give yourself a reason you can't do it. Yes. All the time. Yup. Yeah, and then you're like, you put yourself down, you're like, you feel like you're good for nothing and all that. Yup. All, like, daily, dude. ADHD gang hype. Like, you could be tasked with, like, saving the world, and then all at once, like, you'll dream of a rhinoceros, like, launching, I don't know, doo-doo beams everywhere, like, destroying the world. And then you snap out of it, like, what the F? And it's not like obviously you don't think of that, but yeah. it's not like you intend to do it either. It's like it's kind of like telling someone with Parkinson's like to stop having Parkinson's. You know what I mean? Like, or like telling someone who's having a seizure to just stop having a seizure. It's kind of like that. It's all invulnerable. Like, you can't just like will it out. Yeah. They gave them all backstories, and AI lived in their daily lives. Yeah, that's another thing it can be used for. AI combat. Like, it can adapt, like, based on... Yeah. And it can also be used to create enemies or just create NPCs. Like, it's gonna be so cool if I can actually make this work. Turn into enemies in a card game, strategy games, even like Pokemon battles. Like, each enemy class can have their own AI type, so like the more you battle that same enemy, like the more difficult they'll get, because they'll start learning how you work, and they'll learn your weaknesses and all that. I'm gonna create a tab for all my cutscenes because they're getting so large. Oh my gosh, yeah, it'll end up lagging if you have like a huge... Most people think you're lazy, but you yourself are kicking your own butt because... Yep. Man, Lapping Bat, you do have me on Discord, right? If not, add me. Hey, Aerolus, do you have my Discord ID? So let's see. Yeah, alright. We have then... How am I gonna do this, though? Well, I guess we can just do it that way. Okay, here we go. This is what we can do. Const created equals... Wait, sent. Yeah, so we'll have like a sent to value here. And then we'll say... I mean, I can kind of test it now, but it doesn't really do anything. Wait, floor.map? What? I don't know where that's at. I have to check that. What's that? Where? Okay, and Neuron 14. What just happened? Why did it become that? What? That's kind of funky in the trunky. Okay. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's why. Alright. So we'll do... just some kind of like array thing real quick. Yeah. Just to create like the number mapping to go through. How bad is the lag? Oh, it can get bad. No. It won't lag with like all the maps showing. It'll lag like if Alright, you know what? Hold on. it'll lag if you're like editing a giant event. People, oh, I already read that. Laughing Bat. Look for the Unpro Pro on Discord. Hang on, let me go ahead and just get you the thing real quick. If it ever loads, it's loading, isn't it? You got it, you think? Yeah, just in case. I'll go ahead and send you the doohickey thingy-majig. There it is. Here you go. Add me on Discord, because I can guarantee you we will get along great. Western merch equals when a bunch of people on the actions of... Oh, vote on the actions of 1/3 people. Oh, Western March. I get you. How about a Western March style Discord server and plugin that allows major actions in an MMORPG? See, that's a really cool thing. Like, if I wasn't involved in like a really big like project or two right now, I would probably like show a much more efficient like way of doing an MMO, and I think it'd be amazing. The idea that I have is like just raw TCP with like a custom data format. Encryption. Oh, I better stop, man. I'm about to get too dang excited again. There we go. Yeah, so they're not, the neurons don't do anything yet, but as you can see, we have a RAM disk here, and that's where all the that's like where all the temporary neuron data is gonna be. So okay. Okay, so this should work, right? Wait, it should be n.link. Yes, should be link. n.link. dot call stack dot push, and then yeah, it should be data. Think. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, okay, that's correct, I think. Okay. Receive data. So then this should be this dot inputs dot length or dot map. Yeah, and then we should just be able to do in dot. No. Okay, we're already receiving the data. So like, let's say, yeah. And then this dot call stack dot map c this dot energy plus equals c dot value divided by this dot inputs dot length. No. Okay, so we don't need to do it that way either. We're gonna do that all for here. Energy plus equals value divided by. No, well, heck, we'll just do value. Yeah, okay, so and then the add neuron thing here, we'll give it the row ID. So let's say like row. So the neuron will have row.
Chuck Norris is the reason why Waldo is hiding. No, you ain't just gonna play on and boom. Goes the dynamite, you got yourself
The next Maple Story. Maple Story is a pretty cool game. Yeah, so that should... Alright, so that should cause a chain reaction. Wait, okay. If I dot link return. Yeah. Yeah, so that creates the... Okay, so let's run a little test. It's probably gonna end in like absolute disaster, but you know. Okay, so we'll say const test brain equals new brain. Test brain dot add neuron. Every scrambler knows that the secret to survive. Okay, so it's the row first, and then... So, like, yeah, we'll say... This is only temporary, so I don't mind doing math dot. So we'll have like 3 rows, right? And then we'll have cert. So interval. This is gonna end in complete chaos, but maybe not. Know when to walk away, know when to run. You never can. There you go. Oh, you gave me $1 on Patreon? Hey, thank you. I can come up with massive ideas for a story. Almost an hour.
Then I'm off to the next thing. Forgot the story I was creating. Unless I wrote it all down. I'm moved, dude. You haven't played MapleStory in like 15 years? It's been a few years since I played it, but not 15 years, dang. So you were like around when it first began. Okay, how... This should all work. Okay, so I'm gonna have a console timer real quick. Timer equals 0. Timer plus plus if timer greater than 60. Timer equals 0, and then console.log test brain.neurons. So that we can go over the rows. Oh, yeah. Oh, and I also need min-max here. No, I don't. I need that in neurons. I'm gonna keep it here as well, just in case. Okay, got another error. Neuron is not a constructor. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, fine. Okay, why are you telling me it's not a constructor? It very clearly is. Console.log, neuron. Neuron is undefined. Huh? Okay. Why is it undefined, dude? That is not making sense. Okay, now it's a class, so abs is not defined. There we go. What's in this one? Okay, so now we got a different error, which is fine. Cannot set property undefined of setting length. Neuron index 53. What does that even mean? We smacked a radio that wasn't picking up a signal. And learning. Friggin' A. I got you, Airless. Got you. Bite a vampire and make it good. I love Chuck Norris jokes, dude. Okay, what error is this? Reading undefined reading map. Brain index 19. Okay. What is this one? Huh? Okay. I don't know where that one came from. Oh, no, no, no. No, dude, that's not gonna work. Why is that an issue? Yeah, see, we got the rows there. That's all working. So why? What do you mean is having? Why would we have an issue? Oh, so now it's okay? Now it's just reading call stack issue? Okay. Yeah, I'm not confused in the slightest. Nope. But yet, if we don't console log it, huh? Why does a console log need to be there? Whatever. We'll just use a good old try catch. So we can get this error now. Undefined reading push. 38. Okay, what's going on? How come there is so many errors in that link to call stack? Where? 39. Main.link is a neural input. Oh, yeah! You was a one. Hey, Neo. Okay, why? Good old try catch. So I can figure out. Okay, so now we're all good. And now it's updating them, and the energy values are always 1, they seem to be. And that's because this is the story of a girl. Got a river and drown a whole world. Alright, so now the energy should be different every time. It is, so now it's working. However, the call stacks are always empty, and that is not what I like to see. And that is probably because... Why is it like that, dude?
Man. Okay, what just went down? Like... Oh yeah! Outputs is an array of things. Okay, so that's... So it's not having an issue, so why is it not... So it's not doing anything, it's not updating the energy. Testbrain.update is being called. Dude. Oh! Because I did this. Yep, okay. That's what's going on. Alright. Neuron. Okay, now we're talking. I was wondering why it was like that. Okay. Undefined reading call stat. Why? Yeah, because that makes perfect sense. Yeah, so we got 0, 1, 2. Alright. And neuron. Oh! No? Well, I guess some of them are just undefined for mysterious, unknown reasons. Alright, so let's see if the call stack should be... Why is it always empty? What is happening? Okay. why is n.link undefined if n itself isn't undefined? Is it because alright, hold on. It's because of this right here. This function here isn't doing what we need. This dot neurons row dot map. Okay, but it's which one is it now? 19. All right. Huh? Now it works? No? Hmm. Why? Eh? What? But look, it's there. What is happening? Okay, one. What if I return? Alright, so what if I So something to do with this. Okay, I guess we're gonna redo it then. So yeah, we'll call this a chain. Chain.map. And then this will be the neuron that's in it. And then we'll say neuron.inputs.map. Oh, well, first we're going to say if neuron. Wait. This dot neurons row -1. Then we're going to do this. So we'll just say, yeah, and we'll just redo the neuron call. Let's do 4 each.
Okay, so that's working. This is input though, right? Yeah, input. And then which we should have. The neural input contains the neuron value and a link value. So now we should be able to do neuron. Let's call it connection dot link with, and we should be able to do neuron thing now. And we'll say const link equals this. Okay, we'll say chain floor random times chain dot length minus 1. No. Yeah, and it should be like that. Yeah, no, that should absolutely work. Okay, good. No errors. That means... Alright, so now they should have... Okay, so we got that. Now the output should have... Yeah. Okay, so the link with function. Yeah. Yeah, same input. It's a bit redundant if I do it that way, though. Yeah, pretty much, Terra. It's possible. Sorry I'm not responding to the chat much, guys. I'm trying to figure out why this is being... Okay, so... Yeah, so hit that and then do that. Hold on, let me check it. You'll be lucky if no one claims you cheated, but you can still have your NPC as a GM, tracking numbers. Dang, I missed a lot. Dang, I missed a lot. Man, Chuck Norris jokes are the best.
If not, input.link. Hold on. Okay, so that shouldn't be a problem then. So why are we having no call stacks at all? So this should work. Yep, there we go. So now we got the call stacks all being applied. I'm gonna do the same for the outputs. It's still empty though. What am I doing wrong? Okay, hold on. Let's debug this, all right? So when we call the link with function, at the moment, you know what? I have another idea for the linking then. Okay, this would be a lot better. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this should work awesomely. All right. So we'll say I'm gonna be renaming that dude. Okay, so we should be able to do array row dot map neuron dot map yeah, neuron dot input dot map if row is greater than 0, then we're going to iterate through the inputs. And then each input, yeah, input.link equals array row which, and this will be yeah, that should be just fine there. And then we'll say if row is less than array.length, then we'll do the outputs. And then now we can do if n and continue. So now that should link them completely. Mirror event, properties undefined reading map, line 60. Mine. Mine. Yeah, so we got that. What? Huh? That's what it is. Yeah, no, that should definitely still count. Yeah. So what's the issue? I don't get it. What the crap? Okay, but we got that then. So weird, dude. How about this? Does this work? Okay, yeah, that's working. So, well, for now. Undefined reading. Yeah, properties of undefined. Now, what is it talking about, dude? What does it even mean? Yeah, see, it's here. So why is there an issue? That's the direct link to the thing. So neuron. None of them should be undefined. At all. But they're all undefined all of a sudden whenever I try to call the input from them. What? What? I'm dumb! Me is stupid. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so now this now puts that map. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that anymore or that, because what's going to happen is we're going to scramble it. So we need to do okay, we're getting closer. This is line 63, and of undefined. Now, how's that not a number? Really? How is that not a number, dude? Yeah, that's fine right there. I know this one. But
So which is not a number? Because length is not defined. Oh! Alright, once again, it is because I have brain hemorrhoids. Okay. Yep, there we go. Now we're talking. That's the error that I was looking for. Which is kind of weird to say. Define a reading 0. That's annoying. What is this all of a sudden? So it's random? Like there's an error sometimes? Yeah. Okay, well this is gonna be a bit weird. This is all sorts of jank, but this is one way that will work. That's so weird. Anyway, nonetheless. Anyway, I'm about to end the stream here soon. My brain is like just not having the rest of this. But yeah, this is sort of working, so okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Excellent. Alright, we're good then. Now it should work. Yep, and now, yep, that should be a bunch of different call stacks. Why is it still empty items? I don't understand that. Why is it not pushing the call stack? Yep, my brain's tired. Are you good to test everything out? Jerry in my Discord is a true champ. Hashtag 74. Alright, anyways, thank you guys for joining. This was awesome. And hopefully I'll stream like more often, because yeah, I want to actually make something of this. Alright, anyways, bye guys.